watch him shake. Two alligators, big and bright, chomping leaves, what a sight. Stomping on the ground, hear their feet go thump, thump, pound. Three alligators in the shade, waving tails as they parade. Marching left and marching right, playing games from day to night. Four alligators in the stream, floating by just like a dream. Gliding, sliding, nice and slow, where will all the gators go? Five alligators splash and play, jumping up and down all day. Flipping, flapping with a cheer, laughing numbers far and near. Six alligators laugh and run, racing fast beneath the sun. Swish and swoosh they dash around, leaping high above the ground. Seven alligators climb so high, reaching, stretching to the sky. Up the hill and down again, counting numbers with a grin. Eight alligators wave hello, bobbing heads that come and go. Round and round they spin and sway, dancing, twirling all the way. Nine alligators clap along, stomping feet to this fun song. Left and right they move in line, clap, 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 it's number 9. 10 alligators shout hooray, counting fun has made our day. The 8 is for alligator, big and bright, counting numbers feels just right.